As a global partner of Automation Anywhere, JK Tech focuses on delivering innovative intelligent automation solutions, harnessing the power of RPA and cloud. Automation Anywhere is a global leader in RPA, empowering customers to automate end-to-end business processes with software robots, resulting in dramatic productivity gains, superior customer experience, and more engaged employees. The partnership with Automation Anywhere has helped JK Tech demonstrate how integrated intelligent automation solutions work seamlessly with existing enterprise ecosystems, bringing people and processes together. JK Tech is a next-generation digital and IT services provider, enabling clients globally to navigate their digital transformation journey. With a diverse global talent base, we stand by our vision of being committed to a superior experience with our customers, people, and social environment. We are a global intelligent automation service provider with a deep understanding of constructing, implementing, and supporting critical processes and underlying infrastructure. JK Tech is also a pioneer in progress technologies, and we support multiple global customers who operate diverse presentation layers like green screen, including character user interfaces, GUI, and web interfaces for their enterprise applications. Thus, when it comes to testing the application functionality, especially on green screen, multiple test automation tools support automation testing. Against this backdrop, the JK Tech team has used platforms like Automation Anywhere to capture the workflow on the green screen and test the functionality using different test data combinations. This method has yielded significant results and a reduction of 33% in testing cycle time. Our team has extended the concept and developed a test automation framework called TAF. This framework is completely data-driven. Further, to address the mix of the user interface, the same framework has been enhanced to cater to other user interfaces like the GUI and web. This is a significant development as this makes functional test case design and execution faster. JK Tech testing practice is not limited to using the TAF for progress applications alone. It also has extended it to other enterprise platforms like QAD and SAP. Further, it has also integrated it with the DevOps framework developed by JK Tech using all open source tools. It has made continuous testing and continuous deployment a reality. As a long-term value realization for clients, all workflow processes in the enterprise application, regardless of interface, can be automated for testing the functionality. Due to limitations in the tool features, few workflows could not be automated using the traditional test automation tools for a healthcare client. JK Tech successfully adopted the TAF framework for all manually tested workflows into automated testing, thus significantly saving time as well as manpower cost. Yes, absolutely, there are no or limited test automation tools to handle testing on character user interface, since no single framework works for different UIs. The same framework will run automated testing on an enterprise application that has the combination of character interface, GUI, and web interfaces without having to use different tools and techniques for different sets of test cases. This is a unique and first of its kind feature in the test automation space. JK Tech has a strong alliance with Automation Anywhere. We are aligned towards generating value and delivering proficiencies by driving higher productivity, outstanding client experience, and cost reduction.